In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the full screen mode in the Chrome web browser on your PC. Let's start with what full screen mode actually does. When you turn it on in Chrome, the browser expands to fill your entire display. The address bar, tabs, and bookmarks bar all disappear, so you only see the web page itself. This is really helpful when you want to focus on what you're viewing, whether that's a video, a presentation, or a document, without any distractions around the edges of your screen. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your PC. If it isn't already open, go ahead and launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once Chrome is running, click on any tab or open any website you want to view. To enable full screen mode, the quickest and easiest method is to use a keyboard shortcut. On your PC keyboard, press the F11 key once. As soon as you do this, Chrome will switch into full screen. You'll notice the top bar and all your tabs slide out of view, and the page stretches to fit the entire screen. Take a moment to move your mouse up to the very top edge of the screen. In many cases, you'll see the address bar and tabs temporarily slide down so you can change tabs, type a new address, or access your extensions. When you move your mouse away, those controls will slide back up and out of sight again. This is normal behavior in full screen mode and helps keep your view clean and uncluttered. When you're ready to exit full screen and go back to the normal window view, simply press the F11 key again. Chrome will immediately return to its previous size and layout, with your tabs, address bar, and bookmarks bar visible, just like before. If your keyboard doesn't have a dedicated F11 key, or it's combined with another function, you may need to hold the function, or FN key, while pressing F11. For example, press FN plus F11 together to toggle full screen on and off. This depends on your keyboard, so check the labels on your keys if F11 alone doesn't seem to work. That's all there is to it. By using this simple F11 shortcut, you can quickly enable or disable full screen mode in Chrome on your PC whenever you want a more immersive view or you need to get your normal browser controls back.